SimSolar and Sculpteo have teamed up to help bring 3D printed solar power to South African Tanzanian communities. This 3D printed solar technology helps them see at night even easier. Now, children can study later, adults can check on their livestock, power their radios, and even charge their cell phones or make additional income by selling some of the energy. For most people, it is very expensive to buy a large solar system. With SemiSolar, they can pay off little by little, and then they can keep the SemiSolar system. So this is a very exciting opportunity. SemiSolar used 3D printing with the Sculpteo SLS system to make the intricately detailed parts they needed to keep rapidly innovating this technology. You can check out more info in the link below. Made in Space. The company that created the first 3D printers on the International Space Station in 2014 is now working on autonomous robotics. The Archinaut project is looking to create the ability to 3D print and assemble large-scale objects like satellites, solar arrays, and even space station modules in space. Using NASA's Ames research centers, they were able to 3D print a 0.85 meter long part while in a thermal vacuum chambers using the company's extended structure additive manufacturing machines. The Archinaut project is only about 3 years away from an on-orbit demonstration. Made in Space aims to launch a small satellite and assemble a 10-meter structure during that time. Thanks to a company out in Madrid, Spain, Narbonne, you can take your loved one's cremated ashes and 3D print some 3D Memories jewelry out of them. Mid-August, I saw this video drop showing off this new printing service where you ship Narbonne some dead people's ashes and they will make custom ceramic wearables so you can take grandma or grandpa with you wherever you go. The ashes are mixed with porcelain materials, 3D printed, painted, and then shipped back to you. Let me know in the comments below about your thoughts on 3D printing the deceased. Thanks for watching, subscribe if you like 3D printing, and I'll see you next week.
No, I'm not a writer.
Okay.
Wouldn't it be crazy? But you still amaze me.